How to fix Windows backup error code 0x8078002A. 1. Enable the Windows backup and volume shadow copy services. 2. Run check disk tool, command, chkdsk/fc on your external drive. 3. Use a different drive that reflects the supported sector size, disk space. 4. Enter 4095 in the forced physical sector size in byte string at computer \h key _local _machine \system \current control set \services /stored \parameters \device in the registry editor app. Reboot Windows.